Hello everybody, it is Sunday and I wanted to come on here and start a new video of what sold on eBay this week. So today is Sunday, December the 4th, and we have one order from eBay, and this is a very tiny order. So this is the Hallmark, as you can see, Star Wars Han Solo Christmas ornament. Now, these ornaments are very, very tiny, and they are for a mini Christmas tree. So I probably got like maybe 5 of these when they went on clearance at the end of last year. And I actually just posted them maybe a couple of months ago because I knew it was getting closer to Christmas and I wanted to get these up. So I have about 5 of them left and I sold my first one. So there he is. I'm not going to take him out because he is very well wrapped in there. But I listed this on eBay for $6.40. And I sent an offer because two people was watching for $5 and it was accepted. This is very light, like very light. It's going to be maybe 2 or 3 ounces. That's probably with the small little envelope that I'm going to put it in. But yeah, so this should barely be maybe around $3, maybe $3.18 is I think is the lowest that you can go. So I'm going to be banking that it's going to be around $3 or so, nothing over $4 for sure. But yeah, so this is the first item that's sold for this week, starting on December 4th. It was $6.40, and then I accepted an offer for $5, and I will send that off tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is Tuesday night and I'm coming on here because we have 2 orders. There's Dobby. Dobby wanted to make sure that he's not missing me videoing. But anyway, so we have 2 orders coming from eBay. One came in late last night. It was actually an offer for $14 or for $12 and I accepted it. And the other one came in just a few minutes ago. So one offer or one sale yesterday on Monday, and then another sale today for Tuesday. But anyway, so the first ones are these super cute Skechers Build-A-Bear shoes. And look, I think it lights up. Hold on, I gotta hit it on something. See, it lights up. Isn't that cool? So I got these at a yard sale and I thought I was going to gift them for one of my nieces or nephew who has Build-A-Bears. I thought I was going to give him these, but I decided not to. I decided to sell them. They are Skechers Build-A-Bear, lights up. I just tested it, as you can see. There is a little bit of a discoloration right there, but I already included that in the description. But these sold for $5.60, and they are going to be paying for shipping, which should be less than $5. I'm just going to put it in a poly mailer and ship that off as well. So that is the first item, and actually that came in today. The one that came in yesterday, which I'm in my office right now. Well, Jared's office, my office. We have 2 desks in here. So the next one that came in is from the Beauty, and it is these Keys Soul Care. It is a skin transformation cream. I got this out of my Ipsy bag, and this is actually a pretty good full size. I usually get I don't get it anymore, but I get the full size Ipsy box, which was like 50 something dollars, and you get 6-8 items, but I don't do that anymore. I got it for a couple of months, and then I wasn't using it fast enough, so I decided to sell this. I listed this for $14.50, and then I got an offer for $12. I think it's just straight $12, and I accepted it. This is a little bit heavy, so I did put the shipping as $4, but I'm thinking it's probably going to be almost a pound, so it might be like $6, $7. But yeah, so I have sold this brand before. I think I sold either a lip gloss or a cheek, like a blush. So this is the first offer that came in yesterday. This is a offer that came in. It was $14, like I said. Accepted a $12 offer, and they're going to be paying for shipping. Don't know what the shipping is going to be yet. And then last but not least, like I said, I'm just hitting it again. the shoes to make sure they are working properly. Lights up. Build-A-Bear, Skechers. Got them at a yard sale. $5.60. But anyway, so that is it. I did get another offer in on an item and I accepted it, so I'm just waiting on that to come in. So I'm not sure if it's going to come in tonight or tomorrow. But as always, I'll see you for the next sale. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday and I wanted to come on here because we got a order for eBay. So this is the order that I talked about in the previous clip about where somebody sent me an offer and I accepted and I was just waiting on the payment. Well, it officially went through, so I am here to show you guys what I sold. So this is a Carhartt durable crossbody purse. And I've never sold Carhartt before, but I have heard that they are good sellers. And I picked this up brand new. I picked it up at the bins. We have a local bin, probably in the next city, actually, in Florida. I live in Alabama, but Florida is only like 30 minutes away from me. So we went to the bins over there. I found this. We went on Saturday, so it was $10. But that's fine. I wanted to get a little bit more on it, like double the price, but I didn't want to. But this is a Carhartt crossbody. Picked it up for $10 and I sold it for $18 plus shipping. Shipping is going to be roughly about $5.50. I didn't want to do calculated shipping because half the time I never do calculated shipping. I think I did it like when I first started doing this, and it just started charging like the buyer a lot of money just for shipping, and I was like, no, that's not going to happen. I just want to estimate it. So that's what I did. And so I am predicting it to be around $5.50. It's going to be less than a pound. It's going to go into a poly mailer. It should be good to go. But I just wanted to show you guys the inside. So it is striped. It has dividers in it. It's super nice. If I didn't get my Vera Bradley that I got a couple of weeks ago on Black Friday, and it's a crossbody, I would totally be keeping this and using this because I absolutely love crossbody purses. But anyway, so yeah, so this $10 turned into $18, and it's Carhartt brand, and I will see you guys on the next sale. Hey guys, so it is Thursday and I am coming on here because I have 3 orders that are going out from eBay. Now, these 3 orders, I had a couple of people that were watching these items, so I did send an offer to them, and I will tell you, you know, what I listed it as, what offer I sent, and if they countered offer or anything like that. And just to remind you, it is Thursday, so it's a great day whenever we're selling more than one item. All right, so the first item is this cool little Christmas thermal where you can, I think, I've never used it, but it's a thermal and you can put like hot water in it. So you can make tea with it and stuff. But I thought this was cool. I don't remember where I got this from. I don't think it was the Goodwill, but I thought it was really cool. It's really big. I listed this for $15 and then somebody was watching it, so I sent an offer for $13 and they accepted it, and shipping is roughly around, I estimated about $10.50 because I think this is already a pound. So we are already going to be paying around $8 for this. So I just wanted to put a little bit more cushion because I know it's probably going to be about 2 pounds or so when I ship this. So yeah, so $15 turned into $13. So that is the first item. Now the second items, I recently just bought this. It is the Hallmark Nightmare Before Christmas Halloween Town Scarecrow. Now this is, I got it from Hallmark. It was 75% off and I paid around $4.38 for these. And I bought 2 of these, so I do have one more that is going to be relisted for eBay in case anybody is interested in it. But I got this at Hallmark and it's never unwrapped. I did unwrap it to like take pictures and everything for eBay, but that's about it. I listed this for $22 and there has been a lot of people who are watching it, so I dropped it to $16, and plus they're going to be paying for shipping, and shipping is going to be under a pound, so it's going to be roughly about $4.82, something like that, $5. So this is a great, I love Hallmark ornaments. They are like the best. So I'm super excited that somebody gets to have this one, and I'm probably going to go to Hallmark this weekend to see if there's any more of these, and I'm just going to go ahead and pick them up. Now, the last one has been on my store since last year, and I got this from the Goodwill, and it was only 99 cents. And I got this wolf. I think it's either a wolf or a husky. And it is, if you can see, Toys R Us brand dog plush. And I thought that was so cool because, you know, Toys R Us is out of business. Or I think they're like coming back now. But they were out of business for a couple of years. I still have a picture of me taking a picture of in front of Toys R Us right when they first like shut down and everything completely gone. I took a picture in front of the sign before they took it down. But anyway, so this plush has been on my eBay store for roughly almost a year, a little over a year, and I had this listed at $10.90, and I sent an offer for $8.50, and it was accepted. And this is a plush, so it is going to be less than a pound, and it's going to be roughly around $4 and $5, just like the Hallmark thing. So that's pretty awesome. 99 cents turned into $9 or $8.50, but technically $8.50, you know, I have to subtract the 99 cents that I got from this, you know, all the fees and everything that's going to come to it. But anyways, so that's it. So 3 items for Thursday. I did list some stuff yesterday. I'm going to try to list some stuff today, but I might not get to it because I have to package this stuff up. But anyways, that's it. And I hope y'all enjoy what I showed y'all today. And I will see you guys in the next list, or not list, but next sale. Next sale. Hey guys, so it is Friday, so happy Friday and happy weekend to you guys. So I'm coming on here because I do have one sale from eBay, and it is another of these Scentsy warmer. This is the last plug-in warmer that I have, and it is in the, I guess, title, or it's called Love Connection. So it has a bunch of little hearts. I got this in the lot the same as the other wall one that I got that I wanted to keep, but I couldn't. I just probably just wouldn't use it at all. So I got these for $10, and I think it's $10, maybe less than $10 that I got from the yard sale. And I listed it for $18, and there was an offer for $15, and I went ahead and accepted it. Plus shipping, I think I put shipping at around $10. It's probably gonna be less than that. Well, yeah, it's probably gonna be less than that. I can't remember how much shipping was for the last one that I just did, maybe not too long ago, like a couple of weeks ago. It was probably around $8 or so. But yeah, so I got this for roughly, I think it was $10 that I got this from the yard sale. And I listed it for $18, got an offer for $15, and I accepted it, and they paid. I do have another offer that is going out right now. I'm not sure if they're going to accept it or not, but we will see. So that is all that I am going to be selling, maybe tonight, I don't know, but that is what I have so far. But anyways, and I will see you guys on the next sale. Good morning. It is Sunday, and I am actually on here to end the video of this past week of what sold on eBay. And just a little summary, we sold 8 items, and that is really good for our part. I don't expect to go, you know, have a great week, but I felt like this was a great week. Like I said, we sold 8 items, and it was just a really good day. But yeah, so if you like any of these videos, I'm going to continue to do them on Sunday, where you can watch them at 7 p.m. CST. And then I guess I'll just see you on the next sale, which is going to be a new video. But anyways, have a great week and I'll see you guys later. Bye.